Hello, my name is Carson Poor, and we're doing robotics exercise 8E8 for Japan. What is robotics? Robotics is an interdisciplinary branch of electronics and communication, computer science, and engineering. It involves the design, construction, operation, and use of robots. The goal of robotics is to design machines that can help and assist humans. Typically, robots perform tasks that are either highly repetitive or too dangerous for humans to carry out safely. The branch of technology that deals with the design, construction, operation, and application of robots. Who is using robotics? Companies all across the world are using robotics in everyday scenarios in the workforce. The big industries that are using robots would be in the manufacturing field, like the factories. Robots are the perfect solution to workplace injuries and cost reduction, since they don't have to worry about them being injured or having to pay them for the job they are doing. Japan obviously is using robotics in anything you can possibly think of using robotics for. They're using robotics more as a country than any other country in the world is. Why are they using robotics? As stated in the previous slide, corporations are using robotics to maximize their proficiency in the workplace. Robotics allow for more consistent amount of production to happen in the workplace. Without robotics, we wouldn't be able to keep up with the demand of products needed to be produced and would fall behind, causing trade to start to spiral. Japan is working to maximize the amount they can rely on robotics so they can further themselves in the technology headquarters of the world. Where are they using robotics? Anywhere you look nowadays, you will find traces of robotics being used. To its main features, like in factories, manufacturing products, and parts, to robots delivering food to you. You will find robotics being used all around the world in most places you look. Without robotics being used all around the world, we wouldn't be able to keep up and continue to succeed as an entire world, as we wouldn't be able to keep up with the demand. Japan can be found using robotics literally anywhere you look over there. Even some convenience stores are becoming fully run by robotics. When are they using robotics? There's never times that robotics aren't being used around the world, and especially in Japan. Robotics are the future of the world, so without robotics being used, we wouldn't be able to strive to be a better technology world. Japan is using robotics 24/7 every day of the year, since they are being so reliant on robots to do anything anymore. If they were to stop using robotics on a daily use, they would drastically fall behind other countries and would show their weaknesses to the world. How can robotics help solve local SDG issues in Japan to help achieve a better and more sustainable future for all? Goal 9, Industry, Innovation, and Infrastructure, would be the goal I think robotics have the best chance in solving. As robotics are being used anywhere nowadays, they are helping industries continue to flourish as a whole and allowing them to even expand their facilities. Without the help from robotics, I don't see goal 9 being able to be solved anytime soon. They're going to have to start incorporating robotics more into everyday life to help solve this issue in Japan. Robotics, 2 truths and a lie. Robotics have revolutionized healthcare. Robotics are used in underwater exploration, and the first industrial robot was created in 1974.